Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your level, equipped base key, and inventory space. Go to the nearest time nexus. You must be within its activation radius to proceed. Once there, open the interaction menu and select Sync. This reserves the node for 90 seconds. While reserved, craft or combine the energy cores with the base key. This step creates the raw time travel key. Do this now. Delays can drop the reservation and waste materials. Once the node is reserved and materials are loaded, start the forge ritual. You will see a 45-second countdown. Stay within the nexus field. Moving out aborts the process. During the ritual, the game consumes the cores in a specific order. Follow the on-screen slot sequence to avoid miscrafting. If you need to swap a core, do it before initiation. Make sure to disable actions that knock you out or change zone, because interruptions force a full restart and cost your resources. At completion, you'll see a green pulse and the message "Key obtained." Pick it up immediately and bind it to a hotbar slot. Test the key with a short-range jump to verify stability before committing to long-range travel. If the craft fails, check for common issues: insufficient inventory space, an interrupted ritual, or wrong core order. When that happens, reset the nexus, reclaim any salvageable materials, and repeat the sequence, correcting the specific failure you observed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.